Right, real easy install today on this throttle controller from 9DRIVE. Just gonna show how you put it in, and I'm gonna do a separate first impressions video at some point. Just a really quick tip to get all to your connectors and stuff for the pedal. Easiest way is to take off this. First thing you're gonna do, you can see that plug there on top of your gas pedal. Unplug that. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show it very well, but it's just as simple. Push in this tab on this side, pull it up. Real simple now. Take your connector here. You got your male side, your female side. Male side's gonna go into the top there. Female side goes into the pedal side. Alright, so then you're just gonna take your box here, and you can see there's this plug here, and that's just gonna go up into, where is it? It's gonna go up into that T there. Once you get all plugged in, it should power up like this. Take some fidgeting. I got it wrong twice. Somehow you gotta wiggle the connections, make sure it connects right. Anyway, to make it go up here, just gonna pull this panel off, put this up, and then stick the panel back on. One thing I am gonna do before I fully stick this on, don't know if you can tell in this, but in the unboxing it showed it off pretty good. There's a rose gold kind of finish to it, and I don't like that at all, so I'm gonna black it out with paint marker. Got it looking all proper now, all blacked out now, no shiny parts that blind me in the sun. Stick it back in. Before I get this stuck on here, I am gonna wipe this bit down with some alcohol though. There it is. That's simple. Just got it sitting right there. Easy to reach, easy to see. Next, first impressions, I guess.